C4D is the culmination of 12 years research and development to create a tool that will help to prevent failures in structures and industrial plants where safety is crucial. More than just a technology, C4D is an investment in competitiveness, environment, and quality of life. With no equivalent in the world market, C4D provides a sure and reliable way to manage the integrity of structures, saving money and avoiding disasters that may involve pollution and loss of lives. Research reveals that 75% of mechanical failures in industrial plants result from failures in structures and other static equipment. Such failures are among the major causes of oil spill disasters affecting our oceans. Structure maintenance involves different elements such as the paint coating condition, corrosion, cracks, pitting, and others. C4D provides an environment for interacting with temporal and geometric models of any type of structure. Its interface provides an entirely visual approach in a four-dimensional system. Through these models, it is possible to register the positions and dates of degradations and repairs and make projections to indicate the condition of the structure at some time in the future. C4D allows driving actions in the present to assure the necessary maintenance that will avoid financial losses, accidents, and environmental disasters in the future. C4D allows the insertion of any type of document such as texts, spreadsheets, photographs, original drawings, schedules, reports, and others. When navigating through the model, the user may observe the icons representing these documents. Simply clicking on the icon invokes the appropriate handling software and opens the document ready to be viewed or worked on. All entered data is transformed into useful information and kept suitably organized to provide fundamental inputs for decision-making. Some examples are the statistical curves, probabilities on corrosion rates per region, evaluation of repair volumes, and detection of critical areas to prioritize inspections. In C4D, the customer may store photos of all areas of interest at each inspection. Using these images, C4D will objectively and accurately determine the coating condition. To assist with the maintenance process, C4D has tools to calculate the shot blasting area, including stiffeners or not. C4D can be used over the Internet without compromise or restriction on any of its functionality. C4D further reduces the risks of failures, accidents, and pollution by detecting and prioritizing inspections of critical areas, both existing and those which appear over time. Join world-leading industrial clients such as Petrobras, Modak, Shell, and others in bringing the benefits of C4D technology to your asset integrity and maintenance strategy.